Hello, this is a restoration and vegan model, and I'm buffet the chair. The chair has been waxing with dark wax. But before that, when I started working on the chair, I had been stripped the chair, and after that staining with walnut stain and polishing with button polish with white one day, and after use Y-wool 0 to pass Y-wool on the polishing, make very nice and flat and smooth, and after that waxing, dark waxing, and now it's basically the last step that I'm going buffet the chair with this rag, yellow rag. I buy many, you can find many supermarkets, and after that this is very nice chair. R2. The chair are a pair. Very beautiful chair. 19th century chair. Very nice. Good. Very good condition. Especially now. Very beautiful. See the color, shiny. Very